Everybody fleeing LA right now.
Yep.
We're just trying to get home.
Yep.
Backed up. It's Sunday. These must be the fraidy cats that have
Yep.
been through a hurricane.
Yep.
And us people from California give zero F's.
Yeah.
It's windy. It's rainy. It's really not that bad. I mean, I've been through worse storms. People need to relax. Okay, so we're trying to get gas, and I'll try to record this. And the gas stations are all not working. 1, 2, 3 we've been to, they're all broke down. So everybody's like going crazy. But here's what'd you say, Money?
It's a zombie apocalypse! Yeah!
Everybody run! Oh, gee, thanks a lot, dude. Oh, God damn it! I couldn't get it up fast enough. Oh, shit! Oh, my God. Okay, we just had an earthquake, albeit a small one, and we're still going through. We're on the grapevines trying to get out of this hurricane. I am just waiting for the locusts to start in. Pestilence, dogs and cats living together. What was the other ones? There's locusts, earthquakes, floods, fire. Oh, famine. There you go.